my name's Rosie. I'm going to be your presenter today, and our tractor driver is Yaz. And we've got Tia opening and running and getting all our gates for us today. So don't worry about this wooden plank between you. You will all get to see a lot of our animals, and it is going to be a very bumpy ride, so do just make sure that you stay sitting down at all times. So we're just going past our Casper's barn on the left. We're going to stop off by our chicken house and open the gate to the field as it's shut. The chickens love to go out in the field, so I'll just open that for them. So Casper's barn is open all day long, so do make sure you go and see all of our animals inside. They tend to go out to their field around 3:30 each day, so as long as you're in Casper's before then, you won't miss out on meeting any of them. They're very happy to be out. So we've got our chicken field on the left. Yeah, they definitely think that Tia has got some food for them. There they go, very happy chickens. We've got one peacock in there named Philip. He hasn't got as many feathers as usual, but he will grow them back. They shed them throughout summertime. So all of the girls lay eggs every single day, and we sell our chicken and duck eggs in our gift shop. On the right hand side we have got two of our ponies in that shelter. Their names are Trigger and Mary. Then we've got Poppy, one of our pigs. Angora goats. So those fluffy white things over there with the horns and curly coats are called Angora goats. Lots of people mistake them for sheep. On the left is our empty cattle barn, so that's where the cows live in the winter when the fields get too waterlogged for them to stay in. Now we do usually have lots of animals on the left hand side on the fields, but we're just resting the fields at the moment, and then we're just going to re-fence them and put the animals back. In a moment on the left you'll be able to see our machinery yard and our hay and straw barn. We also keep our silage bales here as well, all underneath that big shelter over there. Straight ahead in that field we have got 4 ponies. They're not very easy to see today, but we've got 2 Shetland ponies. The smallest one is Pippi, and then the bigger one is Lollipop. Okay, no, some of you can see them. And then that brown and white one is Thumbelina. And then we've got one more in there called Sparky, who we might be able to see as we go past this shelter on the left. And he is a British Spotter pony and is a rescue, but he is very happy here. On the right we've got 2 of our pigs called Harry and Betsy. So Betsy is the black one with that tufty bit on her head, very sweet. Harry's the brown one.
That looks so funny,
So our Sussex cows are a beef breed, and they actually originate from South Africa. Now we've got one Sussex bull in here. His name is Wellington. He's pedigree. He's very sweet, bless him. Very laid back actually. We're very lucky. We'll see if we can point them out when we get a bit nearer, but they're all huddled together. So cows tend to, in the summer months, they huddle together because there's so many flies about, and if they all huddle together, it keeps as many flies away as possible. So they're quite switched on. They know what they're doing. But Wellington has a ring through his nose. If he is facing towards us, that's what makes him most obvious. And he has got very big shoulders, a lot bigger than our girls, and a really curly coat on his neck. There is he. He's right in the middle there. You can see him sort of towards the back actually near the hedgerow. Just see his shoulders. So Wellington weighs just over a tonne. So that's about the weight of your average people carrier. So lucky for us, he doesn't do any of that charging business. Now cows are partially colourblind, so that myth about bulls hating the colour red isn't true, because they can't even see the colour red.
Adriaan, yeah.
Here's the tale of Disco Dane. He tripped down dead at a moonlight wedding. You can't deny that dancing's great, but please don't stay up way too late.
Xbox, Wii and PS4.
Nothing scary. Oh, this one was so scary, huh?